is a pretty long ride. It was like a $50 ride, huh?
Yeah, I'm trying to go to the airport.
Yeah, I see that. I'm gonna make a lot of money on this ride. I'm stoked. Hey, what'd you just do? You just canceled the ride?
Oh yeah, it's because, you know what? I've been saying that my card is being declined to pay for this ride, but I have cash. Is that okay?
You can't, no, we don't do cash because Uber doesn't let drivers do cash.
No, I have cash right here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I just got it today in the bank.
All right, well, you can't tell anybody, and this is the only time I'm going to do it, just in case anybody asks.
Don't worry about it. I won't say anything.
All right, well, you gotta pay me now, because...
Yeah, it's right there.
Well, I gotta make sure... How much did you give me? It's like $200.
I don't care.
It's literally only a $50 ride.
Yeah. No,
You don't have any 50s?
Don't worry about it. I don't. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Take your tip there, too.
You're joking.
No, I'm not.
This is literally make my whole day. I have to pay my rent tomorrow. I'm gonna literally clock off right after this.
Oh.
Hey, wait a second. Hold on a second. This money's fake.
What do you mean?
You're literally, this is prop money. It literally says motion picture purposes.
No, it's not.
You know what? I've been waiting for somebody like you. There's a police station around the corner. I'm taking you there now.
What do you mean? You
This
can't
is
do
a
that.
federal crime.
Like
This is a federal crime.
Somewhere else.
We're going to the police station.
No, you're not.
Yeah, we are. It's right up here. Yeah, buckle up.
No, you're not.
You're gonna make sure you want to have your seatbelt on when we get there.
I don't even have my ID with me.
Yeah.
I can't even identify myself with
How you doing, officer? Yeah, I got her right here. Yeah.
No, you know what? I'm gonna get out.
Yeah, open up the car right now. Yeah. We're taking her in.